In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Afrobeat drum loop. And if you are just coming across this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, to my channel, and also click on the notification button to get more to get notified whenever I drop videos. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the DAW. So guys, now we are in DAW. The first thing you need to set while making your Afrobeat is your tempo BPM. You can set it to depending on the tempo you want. But for this video, for the purpose of this video, I think 100 BPM is okay. 100 BPM is okay. And so let's start. I'm gonna look for rim shots. And that is okay. Just as a beginner, just like that. Just like that. I'm gonna look for another percussion. Let me stop there. Okay, now let me add shaker. So now let me look for another percussion. Okay, let me pick conga. And one more thing that you need to know is you need to be selective. You need to know the right kind of samples to use. I mean your rim shot, your conga, your percussion, the right kick to pick, the right rim shot, depending on the kind of vibe you want to create, So you need to pick the right selection of the right shots will actually go a long way by making your beat. Now let's add our kick. So this is just a very simple Afrobeat drum loop. Very easy. You can feel it. That's the vibe. Just very easy Afrobeat drum loop for beginners. You can still add more percussions depending on the kind of beats, the kind of drums you want to create. But for the purpose of this video, I think we are still okay with this as a beginner. Now we have the drum loop. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So now let me look for probably a deeper look just to so you can feel what we just created. You can feel it. It is very very easy. It is very very easy. As easy as that. So if you are still you watch this video to this time, kindly subscribe to this channel. I will be dropping more videos, more tutorials on LFL every week. Thank you. Peace out.